gonna show you how to add a tank sensor to the CDL monitoring system using the CDL app. Go to scanner, scan sensor, I'll use my camera. I'll just hold it over the QR code. Give it a name. I'm just gonna call this tank. Oops, 2. That's right. And then the position, I'm just gonna use my current position where I'm standing. Click that, it's gonna take my GPS coordinates. Then I gotta put in 2 distances, a distance full and a distance empty, so the sensor can read a percentage of how full it is. So the distance full, I'll just take a tape measure. So it's from the bottom of the box to the top of the tank. You can see it's 10 inches. And then the empty distance is from the bottom of the tank to the bottom of the sensor. And that is 33 inches. And add sensor. And the tank sensor should be on our tank sensor page. Height sensors. Tank 2 right. It's reading 51% right now.